There was a flood in Death Valley, California. Several cars were in water captivity. Mud flows in the city of Ternyauz, Kabardino-Balkaria, Russia. A mud flow in the commune of Valdeora, Italy. Mounted fire near Niagin, Russia.
Oh,
Disturbing information is coming from Spain, where the forest fire is raging again. This video is from Boiro, in the province of A Coruña. Drought in the UK. For the first time on record, the source of the River Thames dries up. The famous river has moved 8 kilometers downstream from its official starting point. Due to heavy rains in the Amur region, 2 bridges were washed away and several settlements were flooded. The state of emergency has been introduced. A severe storm hit Wadi Dara, Saudi Arabia. Firefighters try to put out a forest fire in Ponte Caldelas, province of Pontevedra, Spain.
2 putas horas controlando que non pasase. Mira ahora. Mira, 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 mira. Mira. Mira, controlando que non pasase.
Heavy torrential rain fell a few days ago in Wadi Gara in Hajj province in Yemen. An unexpected storm surprises swimmers on a beach in Barcelona, Spain. Heavy rain in Seoul, in some places 70 to 130 millimeters of precipitation. The streets have turned into rivers. The South Korean Meteorological Bureau predicts heavy rains with precipitation levels of 100 to 300 millimeters. A severe storm caused flooding in the municipality of San Cataldo, province of Caltanissetta, in the Italian region of Sicily. While one part of Spain is fighting fires, another part is knocked out by a strong hail. Hail hits Sant Juli de Cerdanyola. Window view of a fire in Feltham, West London, Great Britain.
Did you see that flame?
The thing is, I don't think they have enough water in their tanks.
That's why they're bringing more.
Hail in Pietermaritzburg, South Africa. Dust tornado near Dumas, Texas. Flooding in the Amur region, August 5 to 9, 2022. Russia. Flooding in Monteforti, Avellino, Italy. This afternoon a fire near Rio Segura, in the vicinity of Camino de Enmedio, Orihuela district, Alicante. Burns palm trees, greenhouses and one house. Spain. Severe flooding in the Indian district of Bastar. A truck driver risked his life crossing a flooded river. The truck overturned and was carried away by a strong current. The driver managed to escape. Terrible footage of forest fires in France. Back to hell, caution and courage to all climate soldiers. Fire tornado near Old Ridge Road and Lancaster Road, California, USA. Flash floods in Mexico. Dozens of cars washed away in heavy rains in Nogales, Sonora, Mexico. On August 10, hail, or rocks, hit the city of Heixi Tianjin in Qinghai, injuring at least 22 people, damaging over 500 vehicles, killing sheep and destroying several tents. China. People in Yemen are left without water. Hundreds of thousands of people are forced to undergo whole tests to get drinking water. The footage captures the moment the water carrier arrived to the residence. Flash flooding has swept through Indian Pradesh. Forest fire in the department of Tarn-et-Garonne, France, Occitania. Flash flood on the outskirts of Washington, USA. Forest fire in the Berezovsky district of the Khanty-Mansiysk Autonomous Okrug. Due to heavy rains, some rivers and streams burst their banks in the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. Winds of over 100 km per hour are wreaking havoc in the northeast of Santa Catarina, Brazil. Jazan flood, Saudi Arabia. Down to the bottom, drought, heat leak from Spanish reservoirs. The Sahara Reservoir in central Spain has dried up by 84%. After a severe drought, Spanish reservoirs are only 40% full on average in early August, well below the 10-year average. Around 60% according to official figures. Terrible flooding in Silla in the province of Reggio Calabria, Italy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next videos.